Live from the world's capital markets, here are the latest financial headlines brought to you by News Factory.
Hello and welcome to Wednesday's financial news. Stay with us for more market headlines.
The dollar-yen pair exploded 1.1% in the last session. The RSI is giving a positive signal. The Bitcoin-dollar pair plummeted 5.5% in the last session. The ultimate oscillator is giving a negative signal. The gold dipped a slight 0.1% against the dollar in the last session. The CCI is giving a negative signal. The oil rose 0.3% against the dollar in the last trading session. The ROC's positive signal is in line with the overall technical analysis.
Coming up, the choices from our chief analyst for today.
Gold prices edged lower due to a stronger dollar, while investors looked ahead to the US Federal Reserve policy meeting, which could offer further clues on the timing of interest rate cuts this year. The Swiss National Bank sold foreign currency worth 132.9 billion Swiss francs, nearly $150 billion, in 2023, the central bank said, showing its increased emphasis on supporting the Swiss franc as a shield against imported inflation. The Bitcoin price rebounded from this week's low of $63,000, but the upcoming Federal Reserve meeting conclusion is looming large over the crypto market to decide whether the correction is over.
Those were today's major economic events, and now moving on to world financial headlines.
The Eurozone's consumer confidence will be released at 1500 hours GMT. The US Fed interest rate decision at 1800 hours GMT. The US FOMC press conference at 1830 GMT. Japan's exports will be released at 2350 GMT. Japan's merchandise trade balance total at 2350 GMT. The UK's core consumer price index at 0700 hours GMT.
We hope that you've enjoyed Wednesday's market outlook. On behalf of all of us here, we wish you a productive trading day. Be sure to join us tomorrow morning for the latest news and events from the financial markets.